In this video, I show you how to copy data from Excel to Word so it actually looks great without mail merge. Let's go. Casper from Spreadsheeto here, and the first step of copying data from Excel to Word is to go into the Excel file, select the data, right click and hit copy. For step 2, go into the Word file like this, choose where you want the data to be located and right click. Now for the third and final step, there's a bit more to it, but I'll explain this to you nice and easy. There are 6 options for inserting data from Excel to Word. Those are called the paste options, and they are right here. So the first option is to paste the data and keep the source formatting. The source formatting is the looks of your Excel data, so the looks are transferred into Word when you choose this option. The next option is use destination styles. And that means that instead of copying the formatting from the Excel sheet, you leave that and just go with the formatting you had in the Word file. Shh, please subscribe. The 2 first options are the most popular ones for inserting data from Excel to Word, and I think I use them both equally much. The 3rd and 4th options are really great, and I'll come back to them later. But the 5th option is to insert it as a picture, and this one is quite special because you'd think, why should I want to do this? Having data as a picture in my Word file, where does that make sense? To be honest, it does make sense sometimes. The advantage of this is that if you insert data as a picture, it can never be changed. The looks, the data, it's always gonna stay the same. And that's a pretty nice benefit in some rare occasions. Do you like the video so far? Then sign up for my free Excel training that actually adapts to your skill level in Excel. So click the link or go to spreadsheeto.com/YouTube to enroll for free. The rightmost option is keep text only. And this one is special because if you use one of the 2 first options here, let's say you keep the source formatting, you can see that the data is copied from Excel, but it's inserted as a table. That means it's an object that you can modify and you can change the distance between the rows and columns and use it kind of like it was an Excel area in your Word file. But if you insert it as text only, and you can actually change the paste options after you've pasted it. So if you go here and keep text only the text will remain. It will not be inserted as a table at all, and all of the formatting will be lost. So the 2 middle options, they're quite special because basically they do the same as the first 2 options. This one keeps the source formatting, and this one uses the destination styles, so it resets the formatting and uses whatever you have in your Word file. But the difference between the first 2 options and the second 2 options are that these 2 creates a link between the Excel file and the Word document. Let's see what that looks like. Now, if I choose the 3rd option to link and keep the source formatting, I will have an identical setup here in the Excel file and the Word document. It'll look the same. So let me click this and you'll see. Now, linking these 2 files means that whatever you change in Excel will also change in Word, but not the other way around. So let's say you change the formatting here of the quarterly report to red. You can see immediately that the quarterly report in the Word document now has a red background color for the title here. The same goes with the text and numbers. So if you change this number, for example, to 250,000, hit enter, you can see that immediately the number in December for group 1 over here in the Word document has changed to 250,000 as well. Had you chosen the link and used destination styles, the 4th paste option, you would have the same result, except that the formatting from the Excel file would not be updated in the Word document, but the numbers would still be. So if you typed 500,000 here, instead, you would see that number update in the Word document. To learn more Excel as fast and efficient as humanly possible, you need to watch this video. Also, click below to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.